I'm Wiley.
And I'm Noah, and this is
Cat TV News. Sadly, there was no news last week, but now we can get right back into the swing of things.
Today, from 6 to 8, there will be a school-wide open house. You can invite anyone in 8th grade to visit classrooms, meet teachers, and see our school in action. It will be a fun way to show off our school skills and meet new waves of tech students. In preparation for the open house, we got some footage of Culinary whipping up some stuff in the kitchen.
So it's actually kind of easy to make. It's not that big of a deal because it's kind of really quick and easy. You just kind of fold the corners in and call it a day, you know. But no, it's really easy to make. Just get the dough, make the filling, and then just fold it, and then obviously cook them. But then that's really it. It's pretty easy to make in total mass batches.
How difficult is it to set up for open house as a whole?
It's not. For me at least, it's less difficult and more fun. But like, it's semi-difficult because we have to make sure we look presentable and everything looks good, everything comes out the way we need it to. Because let's say like a dish doesn't come out the way we need it to, then we need to remake everything, and that's an issue. So yeah, it's really fun, not really difficult at all.
All right, so what we're doing here is we're making crab rangoons for open house night. All right, and they're big sellers. We have to do about 600 to 700 of these for that night, so it takes a little time. So what we have here is Tyler setting up the wonton wrappers. And first what he's doing is putting some water around the edges because there's flour on the wontons. And the wontons in the water will make a little bit of glue. So once he has that done, we'll go to the next step. So what he's doing right now is he's taking the crab mixture, which is cream cheese, crab meat, and some seasonings. And we're going to take it, put it in the middle of the wonton, and then he's going to make some stars. And the key to this is you got to make it nice and tight to seal up so when we go to cook them they don't burst open. So the idea is get them nice and sealed tight, and then you end up with these real nice crab rangoons.
In worse news, the talent show has been delayed, but we'll make sure to give more updates as more information surfaces. It wasn't canceled, however, so if you had a talent that you wanted to show off, don't worry. You'll still get your time in the spotlight.
Homecoming was this past Friday. Nick got some great footage, and man oh man did it look fun. If you didn't go, don't worry. We'll be having a prom, and it'll be junior and senior friendly event.
Actually, speaking of prom, Mr. Wanker is holding a Wawa hoagie sale to raise funds for next year's prom. I'll pass it off to Cat TV reporter Nick with more info.
Hi, I'm Nick Bain reporting for Cat TV News, and I'm here with Mr. Wanker.
Hi.
My first question is, I heard you were selling hoagies. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, the class of 2023, that's the junior class, is selling hoagies to support our funds. And it's gone through the students and through myself, so if you want some tickets, you can come see us.
Cool. My second question is, when can you buy the tickets and where can you purchase them?
Yeah, so they're starting to go on sale today, actually, which is Friday. So by the time you see this news, they'll already be on sale. You can get them from either a junior student who's selling them, or you can go to the cafeteria. There should be a table set up, or you can come see me. I'll have some extra tickets in my room 137.
Nice. And my final question is, where's the money going to?
Yeah, so the class of 23 is looking to raise some money, just basically to support our class and ultimately the prom next year. So we're hoping to raise a few bucks to be able to make it real nice for everybody that's going.
Cool. Thanks for the interview. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, Nick.
If you enjoyed homecoming, you should meet the people responsible for it. The Student Council is holding elections this week. Let's meet our candidates.
Hi, I'm Evelina McBride, and you should vote for me for your next Student Council Vice President. I will work hard, and I want to be a voice for the student body. I want to be sure that we are taking every opportunity that we are faced with this year. We deserve a good year, especially after the last two with COVID. You deserve a good year. Thank you.
What is your name and why are you running?
My name is Marguerite Bolton, and I am running for secretary and student council.
Why are you running?
I think this will be a great opportunity for me and a fun opportunity, and I could do my little part of making Cape May Tech a better place for my classmates.
Why do you think you'd be a good candidate?
I've had prior experience of being a secretary and other officer positions in different clubs, and I'm a hard worker, and for me, when I have a goal, I'll do everything that I can to achieve that goal.
What are your plans?
I don't have any plans, but I'm going to stay very open-minded, and if a student comes up to me, I'm going to bring that up to the other officers and administration and have their concerns heard and their plans become possible this school year.
Hello, I'm Miles. You should vote for me for vice president because I'm very responsible, okay? I have a 102 and a 103 in 2 classes, okay? I'm so smart. That's why you should give me this position. I don't plan to do anything yet because I may be responsible, but that doesn't mean I make plans. I'm honest. Now vote for me.
We asked you all what your favorite Thanksgiving foods are. Let's see what you had to say.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
I got reprimanded for making my answer too long last time. Mac and cheese, no doubt about it.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is cranberry sauce.
My favorite Thanksgiving food? I don't know. I don't like Thanksgiving. I don't eat Thanksgiving dinner. Probably mashed potatoes though.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is my mom's mashed potatoes.
I like the jamberries.
In terms of food, none. It all sucks.
My favorite food is probably pumpkin pie.
My favorite Thanksgiving food to eat is green bean casserole.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is stuffing because it's awesome.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is stuffing.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is mashed potatoes.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is probably turkey, because, you know, leg.
Yo, boys, what's up? My name's Dan. My favorite food on Thanksgiving is probably sweet potatoes with like marshmallows and pineapples. So good. Or mashed potatoes, you know. All right, here you go, Teddy.
My favorite food on Thanksgiving is probably some ham or some turkey.
Ham, bro.
Nah, I like some macaroni. It's really good, delicious.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
The dessert, the pumpkin pie.
All right, my favorite Thanksgiving food is mac and cheese. 10 out of 10 recommend. That's it.
My favorite Thanksgiving food has to be the turkey. It's just perfection.
There you go.
My favorite Thanksgiving food has to be the mashed potatoes. They're just really, really good. Or like people say, bussin'.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is apple pie.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is baked mac and cheese.
Mine is dinner rolls. Mine's mashed potatoes.
Pumpkin pie!
All right, what is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
For me, it's lasagna.
Mine is mashed potatoes.
Canned cranberry.
Mac and cheese.
My favorite Thanksgiving food would be stuffing.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is definitely the blueberry sour cream pie that Mr. Migliaccio makes at his house. So I'll be there enjoying a big hunk of pie.
It's going to be cranberry sauce, hands down.
The best part of the Thanksgiving meal has to be the cranberry sauce and the gravy because you have to smother everything in it.
All right, my favorite Thanksgiving food, it got to be mac and cheese, and for dessert, pumpkin pie. It's just elite on Thanksgiving.
Those sound so good. I know I love croissants with my Thanksgiving meal.
Ah, oui, mon ami, but of course they have to be flaky.
Well, we hope this week's episode buttered your bread. But it's time to roll. I'm Noah.
And I'm Wiley, and this has been
Cat TV
News.
News.